In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your Citibank card to Apple Wallet. This process is straightforward and once completed, allows you to make convenient contactless payments right from your iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This app is usually pre-installed on your device, so you should be able to find it easily on your home screen. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small plus sign. Go ahead and tap on that button to begin adding your card. Next, you'll be presented with a few options. You'll want to select debit or credit card. This is the step where you'll add your Citibank card to the wallet. Now, you have two choices here. You can either use your iPhone camera to scan your card or, if you prefer, you can enter the card details manually. Scanning is usually quicker, but manually entering the information works just as well if you prefer, or if your camera isn't picking up the details clearly. After you've entered your card details, the app will guide you through some on-screen verification steps. This is a crucial part of the process as it ensures that your card is securely linked to your Apple Wallet. Citibank typically sends a one-time code via text message to verify your identity. Alternatively, they might ask you to approve the card using the Citi mobile app. Follow these instructions carefully to complete the verification. Once your card has been verified, it will be added to your wallet and will be ready to use with Apple Pay. This means you can make purchases just by holding your iPhone near a contactless reader and using Face ID or Touch ID to authorize the payment. It's a convenient way to handle transactions without needing to carry a physical card. And that's it. Your Citibank card is now successfully added to your Apple Wallet. You're all set up to make secure and fast payments with just a tap of your phone. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials.